Hey everyone, Scott here, and today we're taking a look at the Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 second generation portable speaker. Powerful sound to match your lifestyle. This speaker delivers Bang & Olufsen's renowned signature sound, known for its rich and balanced audio. It boasts a peak power of 2 by 140 watts, filling any space with impressive sound. Battery life that keeps up with you. The improved battery delivers up to 18 hours of playtime at increased volume, and even longer on lower settings. Perfect for road trips or pool parties. Waterproof design for ultimate convenience. The Beosound A1 is built for life on the go. With its waterproof design, you can take it to the beach, the pool, or anywhere you might encounter splashes. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. Sleek, yet strong. A stylish companion. The Beosound A1 boasts a sleek, minimalist design that complements any environment. It's a statement piece you'll be proud to show off. Compact size, massive impact. Despite its small size, the Beosound A1 packs a powerful punch when it comes to sound output. You won't have to sacrifice sound quality for portability. Intuitive voice control, convenience at your fingertips. The Beosound A1 features built-in Amazon Alexa, which allows you to control your music, check the weather, and manage your smart home devices, all through simple voice commands. Customizable sound EQ for your unique preferences. The Beosonic tuning feature in the Bang & Olufsen app allows you to customize your sound settings to suit your mood or the type of music you love. User-friendly setup and functionality. Setting up the Beosound A1 is simple. With Bluetooth technology, you can easily connect it to your smartphone or tablet. It also supports multi-device pairing, allowing you and your friends to take turns playing music. Battery charging made simple. The Beosound A1 features USB-C charging for quick and efficient power. Plus, LED lights indicate the battery level, so you can plan your listening sessions accordingly. Final thoughts. The Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 second generation is a top contender in the portable speaker market. With its powerful sound, extended battery life, waterproof design, and intuitive smart features, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a quality portable speaker. So if you're in the market for a portable speaker that offers both quality and convenience, the Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 second generation is definitely worth considering. I hope you found this review helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.